Okay, welcome into the channel. I've got you guys in my truck, so this is a little different than what I normally do, but I've had this idea for a while and I really wanted to do it, and today we're gonna make it happen. So I'm driving around Boerne, which is where I'm from. We're not far off Main Street, and we're gonna try to find a pile of basically people's trash, a brush pile. Someone has cut up, they throw it on the curb, they want the city to come pick it up, and I'm gonna make something out of it. We're gonna take it back to the shop, make something, and give it back to them. I think it's a cool way to share my craft, to surprise people with a really cool piece of what I think is art. So I actually scoped out a couple piles yesterday. Take a look at, oh, what's that? Let me go look at that. I think it might be a piece of pecan. Oh yeah, here we go. This little dude right here. I'll take that. This is, I'm pretty sure it's pecan. It's coming off of a limb, but we could cut this up. You got an off-center pith there, but that's all right. It's cool. Pecan's a beautiful wood.
Yep.
This handle is not right. All right, so we're back on the road. Spoon is carved. I think it came up looking pretty good. It's a cool chunk of pecan. I'm gonna try to focus on the road and not get a wreck, but it's got some cool spalting in it. It's got a little bit of gray sap. Oh, there's a pilot disc right there. It's hackberry. We don't want to do that. Anyway, this first time I'm doing this. So first off, I am a furniture maker by trade. Don't generally carve spoons, so it's always fun for me to get to do it. I wouldn't say I'm the most talented spoon carver, but I think it came out pretty darn good. It's just, yep, this is my road. So we're gonna come up here. Hopefully they're home. I don't know how this is gonna go. We'll go check it out and see what they think of it. How's it going? Is this place getting remodeled?
Yeah, it's good.
Does anyone live here?
I'm with you.
You live there? Hey, was that your pile of brush?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. So I'm a furniture maker in town, and I carved a spoon for you out of it, dude.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if you're. This is.
You carved it out of that?
Yeah, I just picked it up earlier.
Oh, cool.
It's yours, man. You can have it.
How long did that take you?
About an hour and a half.
Wow, man.
Yeah, there's a really cool piece of pecan. I just took it back to the shop and carved it.
Yeah, if you want any of that wood.
Yeah, for sure, man. I'll take some more. I appreciate that.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Thank
It did. So are you remodeling the place?
you. Yeah.
Nice, man.
I've
Cool.
been staying here for a while and it was
Yeah.
falling apart. Now the landlord's putting a bunch of money in.
Yeah, yeah. What's your name?
Tristan.
Tristan? Andy.
Andy, nice to meet you.
Okay, apologies for the abrupt ending there on that video. So this is kind of a new concept we're playing around with, where obviously we go and we grab someone's trash pile, their brush pile, and come back to the shop, carve, make something cool, and give it to them. And this was the first one we've shot, and it had a few rough patches. Obviously there in the end, the mic was giving us connection issues. We got too far from the camera, and the angle was a little bit off, so I don't think we really captured that ending very well. So we've already come up with ways we can improve this, and we're already working on some new ideas for it. I think it's a really cool concept, you know, just this idea of taking someone's trash, making something beautiful out of it, and giving it back to them. So I think this is going to go in a cool direction. I need some help from you guys, though, real quick. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the video, but also give me some ideas of things we can make. It's got to be something kind of quick and easy, small, that doesn't take a whole lot of time. Obviously, it's got to fit the scope of smaller pieces of wood. So any feedback, I always love getting suggestions from y'all. It helps us out. It would be much appreciated. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I do appreciate y'all tuning in, and we'll see you next time.